Hello! Welcome to today's video, and this one is special because
it's about first work in interior, and that is toilet.
woohoo! We can finally poop.
Yeah.
This time for real. With toilet we've also done water piping, the whole water system. We're just missing the water pump for our well, but we will do it in the future videos. And now let's get into it.
The hero of today's video is Matt's dad. It took us whole weekend to do all the work, and he took some time off to help us with it. And honestly, we wouldn't make it without him. First thing we did was the waste pipe for our future sink. Every waste pipe leads to our treatment plant, which we made in previous video. And if you haven't seen it, go check it out. You can see it up here, click there.
The pipes in the kitchen are split for use water and drinkable water in case we want to connect to the local water system. And the same was for the washing machine, but there was just a cold water pipes. And that's it.
During the day also Thomas came to connect NR cables so we can put them in their space. And after doing more things simultaneously, there was a big mess.
It's just a wall-mounted toilet. What could go wrong?
Well, from the beginning everything went well. An installation frame was ready pretty quickly and the pipes were in their place.
Back in the time when we were doing the concrete floor, we didn't have right pipe for the toilet, so we had to leave a gap in there, and now we need to fill it up.
And because we needed to wait till it's dry, we did the rest of the water system. We also had to organize the cables coming out from a switchboard because it was a little bit messy in there and it could obstruct the water pipes.
Last few pipes were a little bit stubborn, especially the threaded pipe end, but after a few tries it fitted nicely.
Right the next day, after we finished the whole water system, we got into mounting a toilet on a wall.
For now we temporarily put the small piece of old drywall between the toilet and the structure. At least we can use it as a master for the real drywall.
But next time we will do it in a safer and better way, right?
Yeah, definitely. At this point we found out we have a special toilet, or specifically the attachment. My dad already mounted several of toilets and they were all the same, just a nut and bolt, you screw it in, that's it. But we had to have something special.
Attempt number 1. The length of the screws wasn't right. Attempt number 2. Didn't fit at all. Attempt number 3. The screws didn't fit.
Pasuje. Do ven. Kur... Se... Pom... Za... Ani nella tacerci.
Attempt number 4. The drywall slipped on the side. Attempt number 5. The pipe twisted.
Well, we couldn't show you another 4 attempts because they contain violent content, but on the 10th take we finally installed it right, it fitted perfectly. So we started the treatment plan and tested it immediately. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, I hope you like it, and we'll be looking forward to see you in the next one. Ciao!